Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel in a new video. Today we are going to be doing the front suspension of Lucy Greaser Up, and we're also going to do the steering rack. So first thing we need to do is obviously make sure the uppercut's off and slacken off the wheel nuts. Done that side and also done that side, so we're going to do this side first. There's a jack, axle stands, and there's my jack. So I'm going to crack on and do the front offside wheel, so I'm going to get that off and I'll cut back in. Right, so the three nipples are one, where are they? Right, one there, which is the top trunnion. Yeah, bottom trunnion is just there, and there's another one somewhere, and top trunnion, bottom trunnion. I think it's one just there. So we're cracking to do this now. So the first thing we've got to do is put the jack underneath here to jack this up, take the strain off, and then we can put the grease into the grease nipple. So I'll just do that now. You can see a little bit better here. You've got the bottom grease nipple just there. I don't want to go too close to the nipple. That should do it, just to get enough to release the pressure. So then what we're going to do is pop that one on there like that. Just move you back a bit. Right, that's the bottom one done. Just wipe that off so we don't get grit on the nipple. And then for the top one. Right, that's our top nipple just there. So I'm just going to do that now. Right, I'm trying to do this one-handed. So 1, 2, 3. That's that one done. So the next one is this one just here, so I'm going to do that one now. Well, that went brilliantly. I managed to do 2 of the nipples, and the third one I seem to have an airlock and the grease gun, and I can't figure out how to sort that out. It may be out of grease and I haven't got on me, so unfortunately today's a bit of a fail, so I'll have to come back to that at a later date. Plus I'm starting to lose light now, so all I'll do is I'll just leave Lucy jacked up as she is, and I'll just have to come back to it at a later date. So yeah, sorry if today's been a bit of a fail, but yeah, once I'm ready to do the next lot and get the grease gun sorted out, then obviously I'll do another video. Alright, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.